Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Picked me up a Slash, my first Slash, 2-wheel drive. Just a brushless one. I know everybody's seen it probably 100 times, but so we're just gonna open it up real quick. This is going to be a long-term project for me. I've wanted to build like a, not so much a dragster, I don't think, but something of that sort. So here's your standard TQ radio, steering. They actually feel comfortable. They're nice, comfortable remotes. They're just not a lot to those ones because they're brushed. It's a brushed one, so you know it says they actually don't put the speed on these anymore anywhere, any big lettering anyways. So see that? So just a standard 2-wheel drive, high chassis. If you're what, 180 bucks. Always wanted one, just never bought one. You got the blue. So it's gonna be a long-term build. I'm gonna beat it up like this, and then start putting the low chassis on it eventually. New, brushless motor, and just play with it. Start upgrading slowly, pieces here and there, and then figure out what I'm gonna do. But definitely a brushless motor and the ESC, and then a low center chassis, and then just beat it up. So it all comes with the standard stuff for the battery tray. It comes with a bigger pinion and spur. So it comes with the tools, which these tools are good. Both of those tools are good tools to have. Must be for the clutch. I've never had a 2-wheel drive before, so going to be interesting to steer. Although no, I lie. I had a 2-wheel drive when I was a kid, when I was about 12, so that was quite a few years ago. Looks like there's some stickers in here, box. So your standard stuff. Everybody's unboxed a million of these. I just wanted to check it out, show you guys what's going to be coming and going here. So cool, guys. Stay tuned for whatever. Like I said, I'm just going to beat this up with this motor in it right now and just run it out, crash it until something breaks and I need to replace it. I mean, this stuff looks like it'll take a beating. It's so flimsy. All right, so I'm gonna do some upgrades. Check out all that. Like I said, I've never paid attention to the 2-wheel drive, so it's been a while. All right, so there you go, guys. I know it's been a little while since I put out a couple videos, so haven't been feeling that well. So there you go, guys. Nice. All right. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and y'all have a good day.